Hello everyone, this is a product that we use in the medical field, where we can see on the screen the patient's operation schedule and the basic information and precautions, which gives the doctor a very clear understanding of the patient's condition. What's more, when there is an emergency, we can call the doctor through this button to get timely help. At our receiving terminal, we can receive the message. So, this device even provides great convenience for the medical community, and it's very important for our patients. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.